Why your blood work results feel scary. Understanding your labs with confidence. Today we're covering the fear factor, the truth about reference ranges, a real-world case study, and 3 key mindsets. Right now, somewhere, someone is lying awake at 2 in the morning, phone glowing in the dark, heart pounding over a single letter, one little H for high, sitting next to one number on a lab report. I've watched that letter steal sleep for no reason. In the next few minutes, I'm going to make sure it never does that to you again. I'm Dr. Solomon, and this is the skill you need. So let's take the fear out first, because here is the truth that changes everything. A flagged number is not a diagnosis. It's not a sentence. It's a starting point for a conversation. It's information, not a final verdict on your health. Think of a reference range like a height chart for a huge crowd of people. It's simply the band where most healthy people fall. It's the band where about 95% of a healthy reference group falls, which means many healthy people land outside it. Being a little tall for the chart doesn't make you sick, and being a little outside a lab range by itself often means very little. Let me make it real. Picture a composite of patients I've cared for. Let's call her Anna. Anna comes in pale and shaking. She's convinced something is terribly wrong because one liver number was flagged high. She's already feared the absolute worst. We talk. It turns out she'd started an intense new workout 2 days before the draw, which can nudge that exact number up. In a totally healthy body, exercise can shift your results temporarily. One repeat test later, Anna's results were completely normal. Anna had lost a week of sleep to a number that was never the emergency she feared. That's the problem this course solves. So hold on to 3 ideas. They'll carry you through everything that follows. Let's break them down one by one. 1. Context beats any single number. Your age, your sex, whether you'd eaten or a recent cold, all of it moves the numbers. 2. Trends beat snapshots. One value whispers. The same value tracked over a year tells the true story of your health. And 3. Your job isn't to diagnose yourself. Your job is to walk into your next appointment prepared for a great conversation. Quick gut check, no pressure. This isn't a test you can fail. If you saw one number flagged high, what is the smartest move? Is it A, panic, or B, note it, stay calm, and bring it to your doctor? If you thought B, you already think like an expert. Now I have to say this clearly. Everything here is general education. It does not interpret your specific result or replace your doctor. Never change medication based on a number on a screen. And if you have severe symptoms, call 911 immediately. Deep breath. You just learned the most important idea. A flag is information, not a verdict. Now, find your most recent results. Next, I'm going to hand you the master key, the 4-part pattern to read any lab report on Earth. I'll meet you there.